Hi, I'm Jared from the Willis L. Miller Library. I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own book. I hope you enjoy.
First, you'll need blank paper, a ruler, a wooden block, scissors, one nail, a pin, a cool piece of cardboard, thread, a hammer, glue, and a really big needle. First, mark your paper for a few holes to be made near the edge like this. I used 6, but you can do more or less if you like. Now stop. Hammer time. Next, take your cool piece of cardboard, like this piece I got from an old broken record I had, and use your paper binding to cut it into a good size for a cover. Be careful with your scissors and your knives. Make sure to leave room for the spine of your book. Now mark on your cover where the holes of your paper binding should line up. Don't forget to punch holes in your cover. Now take a minute to make sure that everything's lined up nicely. There should be enough room for your paper binding to fit snugly in the cover without the spine being too cramped. You also want to make sure there's a little bit of a lip over the paper binding on all 3 sides. Next, take your thread and wind it through your big needle. If you don't have a big needle, you can use fishing line to poke through the hole in your paper first and use it to pull your string back through. After looping through twice, tie it off with a square knot and repeat. Next, take your ruler and use it to backbend your spine so that the strings don't damage your cover when you open the book. Lastly, use rubber cement or something similar to seal the cover of your book to the binding. Voila! You've made your very own book. Thanks for watching!